First of all, let's talk about numerical data. Numerical data is either discrete data or continuous data. Discrete data is counted, while continuous data is measured. Discrete data takes certain values, while continuous data can take any value within a range. For example, number of students is discrete data. We count 0 student, 1 student, 2 students, and so on. The value are whole numbers, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For the graph, just a certain dots. For continuous data, like height of the students, the height of the students is not counted. It is measured. It can take any value within the height of a human being. It includes decimals. It could be 5.52 feet, 6.61 feet, and so on. The graph of continuous data will be a line. Normally, we can list discrete data, but for continuous data, you have to use inequalities to represent. Let's talk about domain range. You can use alphabet order to remember domain is X, range is Y, because D comes before R and X comes before Y. So domain is X value, range is Y value. X value will be horizontal, left and right. For range Y value, it will be bottom and top. Also, we use happy face, greater than or less than, open circle, dotted line. Dotted line for inequality function, y greater than or y less than. Then we use angry face to remember greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. This is a closed circle, solid line. Solid line means inequality functions. Y greater than equal to or y less than or equal to. Let's go to A. Look at the graph. We know this is a continuous data because the graph is a line. It is also a linear function. That is y equals 2x. You have to write down the domain. Without writing the domain, which means x is all real numbers. So for this x domain, you will look at the very left point is here, it's 1. Very right point is here, that is 4. Open circle means no equal sign. So x greater than 1, less than equal to 4. Remember open circle, which means no equal sign. Closed circle means you have an equal sign. For the range, check very bottom point is 2. Very top point is 8. So we can write down y greater than 2 and less than or equal to 8. You can also use interval. That is open parentheses from 2 to 8. This is a bracket. Let's go to B. Still continuous data. Linear function will be y equals 2x. You don't have to write down the domain because the domain is all real numbers. For range, we don't have very bottom point and we don't have a very top point. So this is a positive infinity, this is a negative infinity. Range will be from negative infinity to positive infinity. Or you can write down y is all real numbers. Let's go to C. This still continuous data. Linear function y equals 2x. Look at the domain. This is negative infinity, positive infinity. We don't have a very left point because look at the arrow, keep going forever. So I can write down from negative infinity. The very right point is 4. So 4, open parentheses. Let's write down the inequality way. This is x. Write down this symbol first. Left is will be negative infinity. Right side is 4. Then we cross this out. You will have a x less than 4. For the range, this is a positive infinity. This is a negative infinity. We don't have very bottom point. We do have very top point is 8. So we can write down from negative infinity to 8, open parentheses. Or you can write down this way. Negative infinity less than 8. Cross this out. You will get y less than 8. Let's go to D. This is a certain dots. So it's a discrete data. Linear function still y equals 2x. But this time, x equals, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the range, we can list the value of discrete data. You have y equals 2, 4, 6, 8.